are going to open up that huge helicopter.
It is a big helicopter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is a monstrous helicopter. Alright, so it's an S double horse volation high speed. It looks pretty cool.
It is.
So let's open it up, shall we, Cupcakes?
Sure. I'll open it up.
Here, let's look at this instructions. Here, you read those instructions and tell me how it works. Check it out. That looks awesomely big. Look how big that is. And then look at that. There it is, dude. It's a double, triple. That's a triple. You got one here, here, and then the little guy. That's pretty cool. Huh? This is going to be totally
awesome.
That's right. Killer remote. So big in your hand. Must be good.
Yeah.
Is that cool, guys?
Yeah, in the back propeller goes.
Yeah. Let's not turn it, dude. Oh, that's pretty sweet. The triple helicopter thing. It's kind of interesting that it turns forward and backward. I'm assuming that's do that with the remote, right? And I find it odd they're not straight with blades, right? Isn't that weird? It's pretty cool though, huh? Yeah. We should probably read the instructions before we go much further. Alright, well, so here we go. So apparently you attach the power cable to there, which makes some sense. It's really light though. This is the supercharger to charge it. It feels like nothing's in here. But you plug power into that end, obviously. And then this little white cord goes in this spot. And then when you're done charging, you plug this red cable into that spot on the helicopter right there. So it's kind of odd, a little bit. But look at those gears. Get some sadistic. I'll have to remember not to tuck this up into this nice hole. So we're going to get this charged up and see how long it takes to charge. It says there's some interesting instructions saying do not charge, do not overcharge or explosion. It's definitely a manual that was converted from, I don't know, Japanese or Chinese by an auto, or like by a machine, by an auto translator, because it's very bad English. Or English. So there you go, it's charging. It's a little weird. As soon as I plugged it in, it stopped flashing. According to these fine instructions by the Shang Ma company, apparently this light flashes green a couple of times to show that it has started flashing, not that it is done. Nor will it continue to flash. It will only stop at a few seconds after you plug it in, and then you must wait till the green light comes on green. Very odd. A little bit unexpected. It also has very much warning about do not overcharging. Do not overcharge. Explosion happened. Do not overcharge. It's pretty crazy about the warnings there with the charging.
They made it a crazy helicopter.
It is pretty crazy. That's the Cupcake says crazy too. So we must sit here and watch for green light to go green. I fiddled with it a little bit more and got the green light to flash. So apparently the instructions are not correct, I'm hoping. So I'm assuming that when that light is on solid, it's charged. And now it makes much more sense that it would be charging while it's flashing. So note to people out there that may get something like this, you got to stick that thing in really tight. That's all I did is I pushed this in further. So it's really as tight as I could push it in, and then it started flashing. So now we will wait for green light to stay on. We have to wait 180 minutes. How long is that, dude?
The time that we're going to be gone.
We're going to be sleeping by that point, won't we? Or some of us will.
No, that will be the point when we get to the moon.
No, but that's gonna be a while. We may not be flying today, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We'll get it all
But
set.
we are going to go to the moon today.
We are?
Yeah. I'll transport us there. I'll make your...
It's the big day. We came out to the baseball field, so we have plenty of room just in case of crashes and maiming and destruction. Are you guys all ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, there's the helicopter. We gotta go turn it on and then we're gonna get going. Here we go. Ooh. You ready to go up?
Yeah. I see it rising. It's rising! It's rising! What did you do?
Good. That was a big build-up.
It's rising!
Whoa.
Stop cutting the grass! Uh-oh.
Whoa.
It's going to hot! Whoa!
Check it out.
Like a giant dragonfly.
Oops, that was a bad thing. Oh no! It's going into the field! Look at that. Hey, it doesn't crash on the ground, Dad.
You can't get control. Control, it just goes all over the place. I don't know why. Apparently when it goes forward, it wants to go down. Which I don't understand. But I am not a helicopter pilot. I am sure there's helicopter pilots out there that can tell me what I'm doing wrong. Yes, I'm looking at you, Steve. You just want to give it a little bit. See that much?
Yeah.
I barely moved the stick, didn't I?
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Here I come, Dad.
No, come back, dude.
Hey! Dad, no!
Can't get it to go straight.
I'll get it. Don't turn it on.
Okay, I won't turn it on.
It's gonna chop my head off. Uh-oh, it's gonna chop my head off.
It's not gonna chop your head off.